Hello everyone, my name is Zafi and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to talk about investing in Global Technology Fund. In this video, I'm going to talk about what Global Technology Feeder Fund is, fund performance of the feeder fund, why I invested in the fund, how my fund is performing, and how to invest in Global Technology Feeder Fund. Now, what is Global Technology Feeder Fund? The fund seeks to achieve long-term capital appreciation by investing all or substantially all of its assets in collective investment scheme that invests principally in equity securities of companies throughout the world that derive or benefit significantly from technological advancement and improvement. To put it simply, it is a type of UITF or Unit Investment Trust Fund that invests in companies exposed to technology all around the world. The inception of this feeder fund was April 20, 2018, while the inception of the target fund was September 11, 2000. But what is a feeder fund? A feeder fund is a type of investment fund that invests its capital into a larger target fund. The target fund, on the other hand, then invests the money in an attempt to generate profits, which are then allocated to all of the feeders. Now, as you can see in the snapshot, the feeder fund here is ATRAM Global Technology Feeder Fund, and the target fund is Fidelity Funds Global Technology Fund. The trust fee under ATRAM is 0.95% per annum, and the total expense ratio under the target fund is 1.89%. This fund is suitable for investors with a long-term time horizon. Now, the target fund's top sector or industry exposure are information technology, communication services, industrials, consumer discretionary, and materials. The target fund's country exposure are USA, South Korea, Japan, Germany, Taiwan, China, Netherlands, Sweden, United Kingdom, and Russia. And the target fund's top 10 holdings are Samsung, Apple, Alphabet or Google, KLA Corporation, Microsoft, IBM, SAP, Intel, Oracle, and Netflix. Now, how is the Global Technology Fund performing? Based on YTD 2020 return, the fund performance is 12.20%. Based on 1-year return, the fund performance is 30.23%. And based on 5-year return, the fund performance is 20.95%. Now, why did I invest in Global Technology Feeder Fund? Number one is familiarity and interest. As what Warren Buffett has said, invest in what you know and nothing more. As a millennial, I'm always fascinated by technology, and the companies that I've worked with or associated with for the past decade are all connected to technological advancement. If there is something that made my life better and more convenient, technology is a big factor. Number two is resilient earnings. As we all know, the coronavirus pandemic has ravaged the global economy and a lot of companies went bankrupt. But technology companies have shown resilience in earnings as most people are staying at home. While staying at home, people would turn to technology for entertainment and even for work. And I believe that even after this pandemic, this setup would continue as technology has become a huge part of our daily lives. Number three, diversification. By investing in just one UITF, I am automatically invested in different technology companies, not just in one country, but also in other parts of the world. These companies were well researched by Fidelity investment fund managers with a strong potential to give high returns to investors. I am fully aware that the total expense ratio of this feeder fund is significantly higher as opposed to the local UITFs being offered in the Philippines, but it is a risk that I'm willing to take because of the positive performance potential of its underlying companies in the coming years. Now, there are three things that I consider before investing in anything: financial goal, time horizon, and risk appetite. For this particular feeder fund, my financial goal is business, my time horizon is 5 years, and my risk appetite is aggressive. Now, how is my fund performing? My fund is currently at a gain of 8.71%. I started investing last June of 2020 during the height of the pandemic, and my investment strategy is buy and hold. But by next year, I have plans of using peso cost averaging to manage the volatility of the market. Now, how do we invest in Global Technology Feeder Fund? So I invested in Global Technology Feeder Fund by signing up for seedbox.ph. It is an investment platform powered by ADR Asset Management or ATRAM. Personally, I got my account activated after 2 days. Once your account gets activated, just sign into your account. Under Product and Services, look for ATRAM and Global Technology Feeder Fund. Make sure that you read the product information, the prospectus and fund fact sheets under allocation, and of course the performance. Once you are ready to invest, just click on I have read and understand this package detail information checkmark and click on buy. After clicking on buy, it will give you instructions on how to fund your account. And that's it. I hope you find this short video helpful, And if you do, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends because it will really help the channel. And for more videos about lifestyle investing, please consider subscribing to my channel. Once again, daghang salamat and see you in my next video.